Welcome to ArcGIS Education YouTube channel. Today I am going to create how to clip them in ArcGIS in order to get a study area. Now I add my them data. I select them 2. This is my them file. I want to clip in them in order to get a study area. This is my dem file, but at once I can't create study area. Therefore, I want to create polygon shape file. Why is that? Polygon shape file is the study area. According to the polygon shape file, I can clip in them in order to get a study area. So now I go to the create polygon shapefile. Open the windows and go to catalog. After that we go to our folder. This is my folder and I created shapefile. You can see this is our file dem works. Select and go to new create shapefile. Study area is the polygon type. Now we choose the name. I give a name for that study area. Study area 6. Feature type is the polygon. After that, OK. Now we created our polygon shapefile. Polygon shapefile is our study area. Now we have to clip our them in order to get a study area. Now we have to clip our study area according to the polygon shapefile. We give a name study area 6. Now you have to go to edit tool. Start editing. After that you want to select create features and you can see our study area 6 polygon. You have to select this. After that we can create our study area on the dem. I start now. Double click. After that we can see our study area on the dem. Then now you have to go to the editor tool and select save edit. Before you stop this edit, you definitely want to save this file. Save edit and final you can give stop editing. After that we can see our study area on the dem. Now I unclick on dem. Then you can see our study area 6 polygon shapefile. We want to clip them in the ArcGIS in order to get the study area. Now we going to search bar and type clip. Choose the clip data management tool. This is our clip format. Now we have to complete this section. Input raster, we give dem2. Dem2 is our dem file. Output raster, after that we want to complete output after that we want to complete output extent. We give a we want to choose what are the output extent. I select study area 6. Then this is the very now you have to mark use input features for clipping. This box you want to mark. This is a very important thing. After that you can give a name for our final output result. First select our folder and remember you want to save this output result in the geodatabase. I already create geodatabase and I give a name my final output result. I give a name final study area final study area 6. Then OK. That is correct. This is our study area clip on the dem. So we can change our we can change color. Go to properties, use hillside shape. This is our final result. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for all of you.